What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be going over how I keep my Black Sapphire BMW clean in the Midwestern winters. My brother Jacob paint cricks the car every spring, keeping the paint gorgeous. However, keeping it clean is a whole nother story. Now, I don't drive the car very often in the winter. However, I do have a set of winter wheels that I put on for nice days. The past few weeks, we've had great weather here in Indiana, but it being a black car, it's constantly dirty. Like I said in my previous video, my garage is only accessible by alley and it's fairly muddy, so keeping the car clean is nearly impossible. But I can't stand having a dirty car, so whenever it gets driven, I wash it. I'm going to go over the products I use when I go about washing the car and give you guys a little before and after. So enjoy. What's up, guys? So we're at Sunset West Express Car Wash. It's one of my favorite car washes. It's a little bit out of the way, but they have 4 wash bays and then 2 touchless car washes. So that's pretty nice. I typically just do the coin ops because I like washing my car. So here are the products that I use. I have a wash mitt, a little wheel scrubber, a tire brush, and then some Chemical Guys spray wax and some Chemical Guys Diablo wheel cleaner. I actually like the griots, whatever you guys want to call it, heavy duty wheel and tire cleaner more, but the place I went to didn't have it and I was out of everything. So this is what I got. It does good too. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a time lapse of me washing it. So first I like to start with the pre-soak just to bring out the grime from the paint, and then I go on to a high pressure detergent, get in the wheel wells, do all that stuff, and then I take the foam brush. I don't touch the paint. I just use the soap coming out of it to wipe it down with my wash mitt, and then I proceed to do a high pressure rinse. Followed by my wheel cleaner and the wheel brush. And then after that, I give it a spot-free rinse. And finally, I blow dry the windows, mirrors, door handles, and stuff that hold water.
I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain. What I need for keeps the silly game we play. Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I'll pick them first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night.
Okay, so for those that are curious about the setup on the car, it's got RB turbos that are stock size. They just got upgraded bearings and clips, relocated inlets, charge pipe, 7-inch intercooler, big oil cooler. It's got the 335D charge pipe with the tile blow off with the 335D relocated tank, so I can run that charge pipe. Here's the nitrous system. It's a Proton series, and right next to it's the purge line. So it's a wet kit. Goes in the 1/8-inch bung right down there, as you guys can see. We spray anywhere from 50 to 125 shot. And after that, the turbos don't really like it, and you don't really get much gain. It's the law of diminishing return, if you would say. And then, so here's the controller in the car. It's wired on the ignition, so you put the key in the ignition, and this is the arm switch, so that would arm it if the key was on. And then here's your purge button. But this is a TPS and RPM window switch, so when the car reaches, I think I have it set to 3,200 RPM and 85% throttle, the nitrous activates. And at 6,000 RPM, the nitrous turns off. So I spray it all the way down the quarter mile. It's got a 10-pound bottle. And like I said, our best is 1106 at 125, I believe. But yeah, that's the general setup of the car. It's got a 3.5-inch exhaust all the way back with catless downpipes. We got our drag tires up there. Those are for the diesel 335 that we have. It's a 17-inch wheel. I run a 15 on the back of this. And then there's the front summer tires. So yeah, that's the general setup of the car. I'm gonna make a whole video about it, describing everything and discussing everything. But I just figured I'd give you guys a little walkthrough about what mods we've got and whatnot. So, and then we have this E38 740 IL on the shop right now. The guy just got it off Bring a Trailer. It's only got like 59,000 miles. The thing is literally mint. I'm really liking it, actually. It makes me want one. Show you guys the inside. It's here for valve cover gaskets and all new belts and tensioners and pulleys. And we're gonna discuss the hydraulic suspension because this is an L and they all have that hydraulic suspension. So it weeps a little bit, but it doesn't sag. And you know, if you wanted to do the OEM hydraulic suspension, because they don't do aftermarket ones, it'd be like $1,300 per strut assembly. So the alternative route is to go with just standard suspension and springs. But we're gonna talk to the owner about that. But yeah, this thing's absolutely beautiful. Has the M parallel wheels, low miles, black interior, fully loaded. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.